Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate YouTestMe integration with Proctorio, which is an automated proctoring software utilizing GetCertified application. This integration ensures the total learning integrity of every assessment using state-of-the-art technology and end-to-end data security. It eliminates human error, bias, and much of the expense associated with remote proctoring and identity verification. The system automatically monitors the test attempt using behavioral trackers and records the entire process as well, marking the moments of suspicious behavior. Once the exam is finished, the system generates a credibility report and stores the exam footage for optional subsequent human validation and review. Let's log in now as an administrator to turn on integration with Proctorio. Configuration of proctoring service can be defined both by you or YouTestMe support and development team. To do so manually, navigate yourself to the system settings in the top right corner. Here I will be presented with both proctoring settings, which refers to other proctoring systems, and Proctorio settings tab. API endpoint, secret, and consumer key are free integration parameters. You should contact your Proctorio representative or our support team in order to get them. Exam settings are the parameter that configures Proctorio features you want to include in the test proctoring. To turn on specific Proctorio feature, just tick the box. To see its description, hover over the same. For example, if you tick this, testing session will be recorded both in video, audio, and the screen will be recorded as well. You can record web traffic or request a room to be recorded before the testing session starts. Moreover, you can require verification of audio, video, and desktop recording before the test starts. If you select this option, candidate will be requested to present identification photo prior to starting the exam. It can be scanned and verified automatically or reviewed by Proctorio agent. Also, you can request candidate's agreement signature before starting the exam. Those full screen options all forces the exam in full screen, preventing access to other applications and websites. However, they differ in time allowed to be navigated from the exam page. The last, severe mode, absolutely prevents navigating from the exam page. Clipboard option disables copy-paste functionalities, including screen printing and the context menu. Further, this option disables any other tabs or windows during the exam. And this one forces all tabs and windows to be closed prior to exam start. Print option disables printing exam content in order to prevent exam distribution. Additionally, you can allow test takers to perform calculations using an on-screen calculator. There is the basic and scientific option. As you can see, here we have many options. When we click on the Confirm button, we'll get a notification that changes have been saved. Now let's create a test. Here, let's enter the name, which is the only mandatory field in this step. The second step is where we are supposed to turn on proctoring mode and choose Proctorio system. Now click on the next button and quickly finish the test creation process. Create Test Wizard will lead you through all the steps. Click on the Finish Wizard button. That will lead you to the page where we're supposed to organize a testing session in order to demonstrate automated proctoring with Proctorio software. Click on this button here, and let's add a name and set availability days. After we save testing session configurations, we need to assign the users and publish the test. To do so, click on this plus icon here and select candidates that will undertake the test in this testing session. After finished, publish the test. Proctorio is an automated proctoring software, and therefore, as we can see, there is no live proctoring option available here in the Monitoring tab. Now let's sign out, log in as a student, and demonstrate test-taking process proctored by Proctorio software. Navigate to your assignments and start the test we have previously created. As we start the test, we will be redirected to Proctorio page that requires to install an extension into our browsers. Important thing to note is that Proctorio supports only Google Chrome, so make sure candidates are aware of it and they have it installed before starting the test. After it is installed, we are presented with the configuration summary previously defined in YouTestMe GetCertified. It contains the list of restrictions that refer to the process of test taking and the list of information that will be collected during it as well. Here we see the order to close all of the tabs because we have previously defined that only one tab, which is the exam, can be opened. If you click here, system will automatically close them for you. Now start the exam check, where the system diagnoses and validates webcam, microphone, connection, and desktop after we share the screen. After everything is checked, you're presented with tips for making the exam process more comfortable. After you go to the next page, you will be presented with the exam agreement. You should read it carefully, accept, and begin the exam now. Now the Proctorio software is enabled. Candidate is supposed to click on this Start button in order to redirect back to YouTestMe GetCertified. Test started. As you can see, a candidate is able to see himself during the whole test-taking process. He can zoom in or out the screen via Proctorio quiz tools because the right click that is usually used for zooming may be blocked in the settings. You can see as well that candidate has a available calculator because we have previously enabled it. Finally, we have a live chat option by which a candidate can contact Proctorio support if he has any technical problems. By clicking on this arrow, he can collapse quiz tools, then hide video if he finds it distracting. As you can see, the test is conducted in the usual manner, and the process is not interfered in any way. After a candidate finishes the test, he is redirected back to YouTestMe GetCertified. If you have any additional question, please contact our support team. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.